Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Put the neckband on and power it up. Make sure battery is at least 50% so pairing won't drop. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and stay within roughly 3 meters. Open Google Assistant settings and grant microphone and notification permissions so voice access works. Once done, trigger pairing mode on the neckband, usually a long press on the power button, and watch for the device name in Bluetooth. Tap to pair, allow any prompts, and confirm the headset becomes the audio input/output for Assistant. With the headset paired, set it as the default audio device for media and calls in your phone's Bluetooth or sound settings. Then open Assistant options and complete voice match so Google recognizes you. Make sure screen lock permissions are set if you want personal info announced. Once configured, practice. Say "Hey Google" or press the dedicated Assistant button on the neckband and ask for the weather or a timer. This verifies microphone sensitivity and routes responses through the neckband speaker. Finish by fine-tuning microphone sensitivity and noise cancellation settings in the neckband's companion app, if present, so Assistant hears you clearly in noisy places. If audio or commands fail, restart both phone and neckband, then repair. On Android, clear Bluetooth cache and reset network settings only if needed. Make sure the neckband firmware and Google Assistant app are up to date to avoid compatibility issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If Assistant hears but won't reply,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.